abandoned as a pup. He was found by Muriel, who lives in the middle of nowhere with her husband, Eustace Bay. But creepy stuff happens in nowhere.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual alert, the attention tones would have been followed by emergency information, news or updates. This is only a test. If this were an actual alert, you would also be told what channel number the BBC News Network is for more information. Please bear with us while we conclude our test and we will return to programming shortly. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.